Look at what this simple invention does. Temperature outside, 97, humidity 16. Low temperature 63, high temperature 102. Low humidity 16, high humidity 61. Look at all the things that little things that can protect, but only inside of it, not outside of it. Yeah. Temperature in there is 76. The fan is on. It's cooling. See, this is what it looks like. You turn it up, then the fan turns off. Cooling stops. Turn it down. Fan turns on. Cooling starts. But only inside here, not outside. So it protects this, protects that, protects that, protects art supplies from getting ruined. Study by Bowdish.